The process of consolidating the Electoral Act was spearheaded by the Law Reform and Development Commission, which started with consultations with all political parties in August 2011. The Law Reform Commission also consulted civil society organizations and media practitioners, on which such institutions made their recommendations on the proposed law.
During the consultation process, general consensus was that 4 separate bills should be drafted to replace the Electoral Act of 1992. However, it was only in June 2013 when the Attorney General insisted on the strict instructions of the High Court in the ruling of February 14, 2010, that the LRDC commenced with the process of consolidating the 4 bills, and this process ended during January 2014.
The regional and local government minister said the bill provides for the establishment and constitution of the Electoral Commission of Namibia. The bill also provides for the registration of voters, nomination of candidates, the election of a president and members of parliament. Once enacted, the bill will establish the Electoral Tribunal, which refers to regional magistrates' courts, and the Electoral Court, which refers to the High Court.
The bill also contains enhanced definitions, such as the definition of pre-election, post-election applications, meaning that there are some matters that can only be raised prior to polling day in the case of pre-election challenges. It will no longer be permissible to wait until after the conduct of the elections to raise a matter such as the inclusion or non-inclusion of a voter's name on a voter's register. Another feature being introduced by the electoral bill is the occurrence book to be kept at every registration point, polling station, and the collation center in which all complaints, events in which a person is dissatisfied, and the incidents are recorded.
The proposed law has also reduced the number of voting days to 1 day only, while the use of mobile polling station has been maintained. The bill further makes provision for the funding of political parties on the basis of proportional representation as provided for in the Constitution, while the number of signatures required for a political party to be registered has been increased to 3,500 signatures from 7 regions of the country. Presidential Affairs Minister Dr. Albert Kawana adjourned the debate to tomorrow. Salmi Hangula, NBC News, Parliament.